TSMC, reaffirming our strong buy recommendation as the AI boom continues to widen their moat. Analyst disclosure. I hold a beneficial long position in TSMC shares through stock ownership, options, or other derivatives. This article expresses my personal opinions and was written solely by me. I am not receiving any compensation for this article other than from Seeking Alpha. I have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned. Seeking Alpha's disclosure. Past performance does not guarantee future results. No recommendation or advice is given regarding the suitability of any investment for a particular investor. The views or opinions expressed above may not reflect those of Seeking Alpha as a whole. Seeking Alpha is not a licensed securities dealer, broker, U.S. investment advisor, or investment bank. Our analysts are third-party authors, including both professional and individual investors who may not be licensed or certified by any institute or regulatory body.